Hi guys, I'm sitting in my home waiting for the cab going to JFK. Poland is our destination. We're visiting their two factories. It's number one stop for us. We have a few more countries to go. The video you will see today is going to be one of the companies in Poland with a team of 420 people, established 1989. They have ISO 9001 and ISO 14001. They have a wide variety of portfolio ranging in the lighting fixtures, including LED luminaires, industrial lighting, outdoor lighting, decorative lighting, architectural lighting. They perform varieties of tests in-house such as IP56 and 7, humidity test, dust test, drop test, ball pressure test, needle flame test, burn test for the components with a 650 degrees of Celsius, photometric test as well. They outsource locally. It takes on average 2 months to get it. They do a lot of things in-house. In order to compete in Europe, you have to do things in-house. So for example, they do bending, powder coating, stamping, welding, extrusion, and the PCBA, of course, assembly line, somewhere 100 to 150 people, and they have specifically two R&D guys on the line to monitor all of that, especially when they do the prototypes or they do the sample for the customer. They do white labeling, of course. Why they good? They have superior quality and superior service. This is, I have to admit it. So yeah, enjoy the video, guys.